In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new website that's going to pay you to just click on one button, and on top of that I'm going to show you how you can actually make this passive, and even on top of that I'm going to show you how you can actually earn from the same website all in one site, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the website right here. You can see that how easy and simple it is to understand. It's just a couple of pages that do really simple and easy tasks, but you earn cryptocurrency pretty much passively, and I'm going to show you all of that in today's video. And you can see my balance right now is already around 0.00039 BTC, and I'm going to show you that I'm actually putting in my own crypto on these websites because I know that they are profitable in the long run only if you stay consistent on using this method that I'm about to show you right now in today's video. So if you plan on using free cryptocurrency, which is starting for free on these websites, get started right now by clicking the link down in the description of this video so you can sign up right away with this website. Now you can see that they have a level system right here, just like a previous website we have talked about on this channel. So what this actually does is you grow your levels right here by using this multiply BTC game, and I'm going to show you a strategy that I use in order to make this run for a very long time. So if you want to get started for free, just click right here where it says I am not a robot, and you're going to start earning 15 satoshis. Do this a couple of times without using this multi BTC game, so you can actually earn just like a couple hundred satoshi, so you can actually have this running for, you know, a really decent amount of time, so you can actually earn and grow your level quicker. So click on claim, and look how simple it is. That is it, guys. You just click on I am not a robot, click on claim, and that is how quick and simple it is. You don't really have to solve the captcha. Now you might have to every now and then, but most of the times you just click on it, it's going to give you a check mark, you click on claim, and you're good to go. So you might have seen my balances grow just a tiny bit. So the reason why I actually deposited some in here is because there's other perks by using this website that I'm about to show you in a bit. So let's go on to showing you how you can actually grow your account quickly. So the way I'm going to do this is I just deposited some money. I'm going over here to auto bet. Whenever I come in here to auto bet, and this is the way you can only grow on this account, so you can see where it says wagered. So once we have done this, guys, click on whenever it says on win, I click on return to base. On lose, I click on increase by 100%, and then I leave the base bet at 1 satoshi. Now the number of rows, I just make it to like 99999. Go. So that's just gonna let me run this for a very long time. So now after that is done, I just click on start, and you're gonna start to see this number just grow. Now the cool thing, and the reason why I like to do this strategy right here, guys, is because watch this. So look, I'm wagering and I'm losing and I'm earning. So every time I lose, you're gonna see this number grow as well. And that is what wagered means. Wagered is whenever you actually just click or bet, whatever that point number is, it's gonna be added into this, even if you lose or win. So the reason why I'm doing 1 satoshi is because that gives me a very big gap for me to actually be in profit instead of just losing or winning as much as possible. I really don't care about this number up here. I only care about how high my level can be over here on this page. So if I can make my crypto last me for a very long time using this method, then that's going to help me grow these levels quicker. And that's what a lot of people don't understand about websites like this. So me depositing this money is going to make this website be staying a little bit longer alive, I would say, because if the developer is actually making money, then we're going to be making money. If they're losing money, then most likely the website will go down. So this is the reason why I think this is a really decent website, because multiply, it gives them a longevity, because we have to bet in order for them to actually get more crypto, or in order for us to actually last on this website longer. So we can go over here into betting as well, which I would recommend you guys not doing this, because it's, you know, you're just risking your crypto even more by doing these types of methods like with this. But there is an interesting way to earn on here as well, guys, and this is the reason why I put in a little bit of crypto, of my own crypto, in order to show you that it is working. So just literally last night, like around 12 o'clock at night, my money has been deposited inside of this account, and you can already see that I'm earning interest on this, guys. It's going to give me my yearly, it's going to give you my monthly, and it's going to give you my daily. Now, I don't care about how small the portion is, but the thing is that it's still giving me some free crypto for just leaving it inside of this account. So I'm just going to test this, because every time I actually grow this, it's like claiming the faucets for free. That's how crazy it is, guys. You can pretty much claim the faucets for free by putting in some crypto. I would recommend you guys not doing this if you on crypto that you're not willing to lose. So put in whatever you're willing to lose if you are interested in actually getting started with this website, so you can actually grow interest on it and actually come over and just to multiply from this way, but it's going to let you stay longer. So let's say if I keep betting over and over and over again for the whole day, tomorrow comes, I'm going to get my interest. So, and I'm also going to get my free BTC that's going to help me with this right here with the multiply to last just a tiny bit longer. And then I'm going to just keep on growing my accounts from just clicking on this one button right here on lose, increase by, and then to delete the number of rows, click on 9999, and once you have done that, just click on start and you are good to go. Just let this website do its thing, and your wager just going to keep growing and growing at a fast and steady pace. So that is the way I like to use this website, and this website is just something I wanted to show you so you can get started right now. And I'm about to make an updated video just in a bit on showing you the previous website just like this one, guys, and showing you that this website is really profitable if you stay consistent on it. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you, and this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. guys. So this is gonna be my results. This is gonna be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.